Oh, all right, you all. Welcome to Tech 101, aka Black Mentor, as we discuss information technology, also known as IT. In today's episode, I wanted to do a full video of the zip line short that I was talking about in dealing with logistical operations. And I brought up Zipline because it's in my home state of Arkansas, and it's in actually Northwest Arkansas. And from what I was reading on Zipline, it's basically drone delivery and it being able to deliver, your packages to specified locations. But what was so interesting to me that I began to wonder about is how logistical operations will take place once this is fully into effect, like in years to come. I say within the next 15 to 20 years, how does this look among the world of logistics? Now, we have UPS, we have FedEx, we have DHL, we have all these different shipping companies that ship product from one place to the other, whether they're using boats, heavy seas or boat shipping, or they're using airplanes or trains and trailer trucks, going across the U.S. and interstate commerce and everything. Like, how do you think that drones will impact this particular type of industry? So when we look at it from all around, technology is ever changing. It's changing so many ways that we deal and do in business. Even people are, could be driving less because of automated car, pickups. People are ordering foods through their mobile devices. But when you're looking at shipping, no matter what kind of technological operation you have going on in the world, you have to get your package. And what is most convenient, what is most safe, is there going to be more laws and restrictions within the air, because people are now looking to flying cars as well as planes and different things like that taking up the airspace. Now, if you know anything about drones, you do know that there are certain rules and regulations and certain ways that you can fly drones. They can only stay below 400 feet due to air traffic, and not being able to interfere in airspaces, whether it be class A, B, C, and so forth. But with the delivery aspect, I mean, when you think about it, you almost have to be perfect with the address of where you're delivering to, because you have to look at, okay, will these particular drones be intercepted by any other means to take packages? Will people try and steal packages because they're in the air? When you think about this, we have to look at it in how would this impact the logistics and trucking industry. And what I'm thinking is the companies that are currently in the mix, if not already, they're probably already researching drone delivery right now. I mean, I remember FedEx and Amazon testing that and Walmart testing that a while back. But and this is just my thought and my perspective on this, and I could be reading the future, but what I'm thinking is, because drone delivery is going to end up taking place, these companies are going to end up hiring drone operators in-house to fly these drones to start delivering packages. But it's a matter of time before the USPS starts getting into it too. So when you think about that, ask yourself, where will logistics and the logistical operation be in the next 15 to 20 years from now? Like, listen, subscribe, Tech 101, aka Black Mental. Look forward to bringing more content to you soon.